Hi everyone, happy Wednesday. I hope you did awesome on your iStation reading test. It will be interesting to see how well you did because you all are incredible readers. So right after iStation, you will be watching me on this video, and I want you to go to your waffle. Let me get it over here, and thank you to Xavier Murphy's mom yesterday for helping me explain where the waffle is. My explanation wasn't going through to everybody, but this is what I mean by waffle. And that's like inside those little crevices where the syrup goes. The syrup is like all your documents that you've stored. So I'm going to click on there, and I'm going to go to my drive. Inside my drive, I should find my belonging slide deck and my growth mindset. And they should pop up first because I've been working on those two. We're going to work on these two things throughout the rest of the week. So the first thing I want you to do is go to your belonging slide deck. And you'll notice your drive is still open so you can go back and forth. So you should have already worked on slides 1 through 6. Those should be done. Those were homework like on Monday. Remember, we're skipping slide 7. We'll come back to that one. And last night you were supposed to work on, and during the day, slide 8, slide 9, and slide 10. So those were things you were supposed to have worked on yesterday and last night. So if you didn't finish, that's okay, because this whole slide deck is going to be due Friday. And on Friday, I'm going to show you how to turn it in. So your next thing that I want you to work on are the next 5 slides. But there's a catch, because I bet you're saying, what? All those slides, there's so many. I don't want to do it. But don't worry. What you're going to do is you're going to pick your favorite slide. So what you're going to do is you're going to read each quote, and then you're going to say to yourself, hey, those sound familiar because they're the same quotes that were right in our thought bubbles that were up there. Up on the first slide is what I mean. So what you're going to do is you're going to read them and you're going to pick your favorite slide. So I'm going to read this, and I'm going to say, I don't really like that one. Then I'm going to read this one. I do like this one. I'm going to read this one. That's a good one. I like to talk about peace, yeah. Oh, look, there's that anonymous. That means we don't know who the author is. I like that one. And this one, I don't like that one. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and choose my favorite one, which is this one. And you don't have to do any of the others of those 5. So what you're going to do is you're going to respond and analyze to this quote. So this is almost exactly like what we're doing with our growth mindset poster that you all have been coloring so diligently. So what you're going to do is you're going to read these directions down here. You're going to write about what you think the quotation means, and you're going to explain as best as you can using personal examples. How does this make you feel? Or you can connect and write about how the quotation connects to your belonging themed read-alouds. So we have read or listened to Big Al. We've listened to Say Something, the video. And hopefully before you did iStation, I shared with you another belonging story. Who knows, I may have forgotten. So then what you're going to do, I like this top one. And I'm going to go ahead and if it says type here, it should have said type here. You can just go ahead and delete that. Let's see, my computer's dragging. And I'm going to say, because I want to impress my teacher because she likes complete sentences. In fact, she loves complete sentences. I'm going to say, this quote means to me that in a great, I know you can hear me typing, community, people or friends will accept you and your mistakes. Mistakes is a good synonym for imperfect. I like to use synonyms too. So I can say my friends, or I like the word community. My community will offer suggestions. And I'm just going to use my thoughts, and I'm going to keep typing my thoughts as much as I can using complete sentences, periods, and capitals. You don't have to write a lot. Just tell me how this makes you feel. And you only get to choose one of those 5. Then on Thursday, we're going to work on slide 16 and 17 and go back to slide 7. All right? So I'm going to repeat what you need to do again. So you need to make sure you've completed slides 5 and 6, 8, 9, and 10, and choose only one of your quotes. Now, if you happen to have finished that, what you can do is you can go back to your Google Drive, and open it up, and you can work on your growth mindset writing, which is so similar to what we just did. So I'm trying not to make it too hard for you. So you're going to get the poster that you've been coloring so hard, and you're going to finish writing about it. If you want to try and drag your picture in, your poster in, you can take a screenshot of it, or you can use your parent's phone. You don't have to do this, and put your poster inside your writing. That's just another little trick. When you put your poster, I borrowed Wendy's lovely little Avid person. When you put your poster in, you'll usually get this little box, or you'll get words. Let's see. And this one is always, I shouldn't say always, is most likely highlighted. If that's highlighted, then it doesn't let me move it very well. So I like to go to the middle one, the wrap the text. That's where the meat is, the peanut butter and jelly too. And I get to move it. Okay? So remember, this one you are using your growth mindset poster that you're coloring and you're typing about it, just like you did with the slide deck, your belonging slide deck. Don't turn them in, because on Friday I'm going to show you how to turn them in. All right? Good luck. You're going to do awesome.